Hello, beautiful audience. We are glad once again to have you guys back on this channel, just like always. And yes, on today's video, guys, we are live at the Ekwulobia Township Stadium that is under construction by the Anambra State government, talking about the Soludo's administration in Anambra State, Nigeria. Yes, not quite long ago, we brought you the update of this construction and also the progress that have been recorded right within this construction site. And yet again, we came around today to bring you more updates about this project that is going on in Ekwulobia town. And the good thing about this particular update today is that there has been massive progress all around this facility. I'm telling you, we are going to go around this facility and we are going to see different sections that have recorded so much progress, even as the construction is still ongoing. So over here you can see the entrance into this facility. This is the major entrance into the Ekwulobia Township Stadium, and you can see how beautiful it is looking already, even though there are no paints applied on it. It's already looking beautiful and magnificent. This is the kind of thing that we want to keep seeing all around Anambra State, and it is already happening. Like when I tell you guys that Anambra State is a construction site, some people we are doubting. But as it is right now, guys, there are projects going on in every part of Anambra State. And the funny part of it all is that as this one is about finishing, a new one is starting. As it's like in a continuous process. It's not ending. Like these projects are not stopping today. Even as we keep showing you new projects, there are newer projects that are springing up every day in Anambra State, and it's a thing of joy. This is the kind of thing I would love to see happening in every other state in this region. Guys, Anambra have not had it in this manner before. I keep saying it and it keeps proving me right. Like this governor I'm talking about, Soludo's administration, keeps proving me right. Like every day there is one project or the other that keeps springing up, and these projects are putting the state in the right direction, making the current governor to stand out from other governors in the region. I'm telling you the fact. Stick on this channel because there are lots of projects that you are going to be bringing up on this channel that you have not seen before. I'm talking about new projects, totally new projects coming up in Anambra State at the moment. Guys, you need to see these projects and you'll be amazed at what is going on in Anambra State at the moment. So the last time we visited this project, talking about this stadium, the pitch have not been filled with sands. Yes, they have not been filled with sands, and also this particular grandstand have not gotten to this stage. But if you look around right now, they have done the whole formation on this grandstand. So they are only waiting for it to dry up, and then they will remove all of these supports that you are seeing here. It is going to look superb, just like the one in the middle. Don't worry, I'm going to take you around this facility so that you will see a whole lot of progress that have been recorded within a very short time. Not long ago, we visited this site. Also talking about the other area where they are constructing the country club and other facilities, we'll also go there and you will see what is happening at that section. Guys, you can see the pitch already. It has been sand filled. Yes, you can see that the pitch have been sand filled. And over here you would see a water pipe. Yes, this is a water pipe, and automatically this implies that the grass that they will use in this pitch wouldn't be artificial grass. Yes, they are going to be using a natural grass on this pitch. So it is going to be really, really beautiful, because what you are seeing here is the water supply that will be supply water to help the grass flourish and look neat. So this is what the pitch is currently looking like at the moment. Yes, you can see there are a whole lot of locations or positions where these water pipes are being positioned. I'm going to take you around this pitch and I'm going to show you all of these positioning locations. You can see one over here too. Yes, these are water pipes, and this implies that they are going to be using natural grass in this pitch. So I'd love to know what you think about this project. Let me hear your thoughts, your recommendations, your advices, your whatever it is you know about this project that we don't even know. Please do share with us on the comment section so that we all will be on the same page together. And if there's anything you would love to say about the Anambra State government, talking about a whole lot of projects that are going on within the state at the moment, please, I would love to hear from you. Yes, share with us whatever it is you think about the current administration in Anambra State today. So you can see what is going on right within the Ekwulobia Township Stadium construction site. Guys, it is so beautiful. This grandstand is already set for roofing. What was remaining here is roofing, and then probably the seats and lightings within the grandstand. So it is going to be really superb by the time all of this is fully completed. This stadium is going to stand out in this part of Anambra State. Frankly speaking, I would say again that Soludo is a godsend to Anambra State. Guys, this man is really a transformational man. Like he thinks ahead of time. As in, there are projects I will bring up to you guys. Please, in case you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe, guys. Subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, because there are lots of projects that are coming up your way on this channel. Yes, you will need to see what is going on in Anambra State at the moment. Soludo is actually transforming Anambra State, making it to stand out completely and entirely from what it used to be. This is so interesting. This is so beautiful. I'm so impressed with what the current governor is doing in the state. In less than 3 years, guys, Anambra has actually really transformed to a better state. In less than 3 years. It hasn't happened before in Anambra State. And I must tell you the way it is, there is no governor that Anambra have had before now that has achieved what this current governor has achieved in less than 3 years. There is no governor that have achieved what he has achieved in less than 3 years. And if you say there's any, please say it here and I'll prove you wrong. This has not happened before, and Anambra have never had it in this manner before. This is so impressive, and I'm totally 100% in support of Soludo's administration. So you can see over here, this is where the water source is going to be coming from. Talking about the water that will be used to maintain the green grass on the pitch. Okay, yes, like I've shown you before, where they position some of the pipes that will be watering the pitch by the time the green grass is being fixed. So guys, from here we are also I'm going to take you guys around this facility. We are going to go towards where they're constructing the country club. You can see it already. Yes, I will take you within this facility. You're going to see what has been done there and what is yet to be done. So just in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please, I indulge you to do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. We are live at the Ekwulobia Township Stadium in Ekwulobia Town, and this project is being carried out from scratch by the Anambra State government, talking about the Soludo's administration in Anambra State, Nigeria. And this is one of the transformational projects that this administration has taken upon itself to see that Anambra State is totally transformed completely and entirely from what it used to be. So if we come around this Ekwulobia right now, you would see a lot of projects that are going on in Ekwulobia at the moment, talking about the flyover, and a whole lot of more projects that will be coming your way on this channel. That's why I said, just in case you have not subscribed, please subscribe, because there are lots of projects that you need to see that probably you don't even know about. Yes, we're going to bring them to you on this channel, and you will see them and understand that this administration is actually doing just perfectly well in Anambra State. Seriously speaking, I would say that Soludo again is a godsend to Anambra State, and there is no doubt about that. You can see the evidence of what he is doing in the states at the moment. Every part of Anambra State, there is either one completed project or one ongoing project. You would say it's so marveling. Like, I don't know how to put it, but it's just beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. Anambra has actually transformed just within just less than 3 years. It has transformed to a better state than it used to be. It's now truly the light of the nation. Seriously speaking, with what is going on right now, in the next 5, 6, 7, 8 years, if it continues like this, I'm telling you, Anambra would be competing with Lagos and Abuja in Nigeria. Seriously speaking, Anambra is going to be competing with Lagos and Abuja when it comes to infrastructure development, when it comes to good road networks, when it comes to peace, safety and security. Yes, because if you look at what's going on right now in the security sector, it is already taking another dimension. So I don't think anyone who is out there will say doesn't know what is going on in Anambra State at the moment. There is a serious security outfit right now that has taken place, and is also taking away all the hoodlums that have been causing mayhem in the state. So Anambra is actually coming back to its original state, the peaceful and the safest state it used to be. That is what it is coming back to. So this administration is not slacking behind. It is not taking chances. It is doing all it can within its power to see that Anambra is safe for you and I. So you can see the country club that I told you about. You can see what is going on over here. The facility is also still in progress. Yes, even from the last time we visited up till now, it has really there have been a massive progress for what it used to be before now. So you can see all over this site, this facility is becoming, as in, is even approaching its final stage even as we speak. There are lots and lots that still need to be done, but so much have been done already. Okay, so much have been done already, even though there are still lots of work to be done, but so much have been done, and it is still so impressive. All of these projects are going to be completed in no time. So it's a thing of joy, and a thing that it gladdens my heart to see that all of these projects are actually progressing in a very good direction. Just in case you have watched up to this point, I'd love to say thank you so very much. God bless you. Subscribe to this channel, and see you on our next beautiful and epic video coming your way. Bye for now, guys.